If you're thinking about getting started with a CRM, you're probably considering Go High Level because it is one of the most well-known CRMs that's on the market today. But what most people don't tell you is that Go High Level, it's not for novices. It can be complicated to learn, and it can take a while to set it up. So if you don't have a lot of time to set up things on your own, you're probably going to want to hire a freelancer to do that for you. You'll want to go to a company like Upwork to hire a developer to set up your Go High Level for you so that you don't have to do it on your own. But you definitely have to be prepared to incur that additional cost of hiring a developer to do that for you. Some developers start at $150 an hour, so you want to be prepared to incur that cost, and also you want to be prepared to pay the monthly cost of Go High Level. Depending upon the plan that you choose, it could range anywhere from $97 to $497 a month. Now, if you didn't want to hire a developer to set it up, you could tap into the free videos on YouTube. There's tons of training videos, but once again, training videos can be essentially like being sucked into the matrix, where if you're not tech friendly, you don't understand how to do things yourself, setting things up like websites and all that, you probably don't want to go that route. So the next question is, what other options do you have available to you? Do you move forward with Go High Level? If you do, you risk getting frustrated and giving up on it. A lot of people who try it out, they tell you that Go High Level was a nightmare based upon their personal experiences with it. Some people get frustrated with the lack of support that Go High Level offers because they outsource their technical support and they don't have people that can help you right away if you get stuck on it. And the most common example of a Go High Level user is they just give up on it altogether, and it's because whatever experience they had, they feel that it's just not worth it for them. So what options should you choose? Should you go with another option like Zoho, Salesforce, or HubSpot? Or, should you keep looking for another CRM? Now, the answer is simple. You should go with Sales God CRM. With this CRM, it's simple and easy to use because there's no programming involved. As you can see, inside Sales God CRM, the navigation's simple. It's all on the left side of your screen. There's no complicated menus or submenus that you need to click on in order to find things. You can easily find what you're looking for and get started quickly. All of your contacts on Sales God CRM are going to be right over here on the left side of your screen. You could manage all of your leads in here. You could filter your leads by category, group them together, and what's most important, you could use Sales God CRM to send text message drip campaigns to your leads. And that makes contacts staying in touch with your leads a breeze. To set up a typical text message marketing campaign, all you have to do is click over here, and with one simple click, you could get it set up. Give the text message campaign a name, choose the days of the week that you want your campaign to run, and also your time. And then down here, you're going to select how many messages that you want to have your account send out on your behalf over the course of a typical 8-hour day. Right now, it's set to deliver 5 messages a minute, and that equates to about 300 messages an hour. And then basically what you'll do next is come down to the bottom and click Save. Now, once you saved your text drip campaign, the next thing that you want to do is click over here to insert your marketing message. And this is also really simple and easy because if you sent email marketing campaigns in the past, you're familiar with merge fields, and you have the same principle here with these codes, so that the codes were going to insert the name of your lead into the marketing message. And then so basically you'd started out having the message sounding like a follow-up. You'd put your question and following up to see if you're still looking for life insurance quotes, health insurance quotes, etc. online. And then after that, you would want to have some type of a call to action there. And then the end of your message, you would want to have an opt-out. Now, the typical opt-out that we encourage people to use on Sales God CRM is the word cease. Cease to remove, because that gives the client, the lead, a word that they can use to opt out of your list. So if they no longer want to receive a text message from you, they just reply with that word, and then with one simple click, they are effectively removed from your list, and there's nothing that you have to do yourself to remove those people. So once your message is saved, you're going to come down here and just click on the green button, and then you're ready to go. Now, there's two more things that you need to do. The next thing is you want to assign a local phone number to your account. Now, to do that, you're just going to click right over here, click on phone numbers, click on search number, and type in the area code for the location that you're marketing to. And just click on the checkbox next to it, scroll down to the bottom, and click on order selected numbers. Now, once your number is in your account, you're going to go back to your text strip, click on phone numbers again, attach phone number, and you're just going to add that number to your account just like that. And the last thing is you want to upload your contacts and attach that to your text strip. So to do that, you're going to go back to your contacts and then just come over here, import contacts. You're going to find the file on your computer, upload it, and then you're going to map it over to the software and link it to your text strip just like that. And just click import. And then while it's importing, you want to go back to your text strip. And once it's imported, you're going to see that all of your leads have been imported. As you can see right here, it shows total, active, and waiting. You should see the same number across the board. When the leads are showing up in the waiting list, that means that the system is ready for you to start sending text messages out to that list. And then the final thing that you want to do is you want to go back to your text strip and click the activate button. Once you activate it, your messages are going to start going out in real time on your behalf. Now, once your messages are going out, people are going to start replying back to you. As you can see, I have a messenger right over here, and you would have the same thing in your account as well. And then when people reply, you're going to see a typical text message, just like this. People replying back to you if they're interested in quote. They'll reply back to you asking questions and things like that regarding your service. And then you can either give them a call back, or you can also message them back, as you can see right, like I've done here. Now, everything is date and time stamped, by the way, so that you know when messages are sent and when they're delivered. There's no question if your messages are going out or not. No question that the software is doing in the system. It's doing exactly what we tell you that it's supposed to do. Now, you can also further organize your leads. You could tag the lead based on their disposition so that you can easily follow up with them. And also, if you click over here, you have all the leads' contact information here, including their street address, phone number, date of birth, gender, whatever you need. It's always going to be right here. And then when you go down to the bottom, there's your tag. And you have the ability to leave a note on the record itself so that you could recap the conversation and where each stage of the lead is. So simple, easy to use tools, but most importantly, this gets the job done so that you can manage your leads effectively, communicate with them effectively, and start bringing in sales and revenue for your business. Now, aside from those tools that I just showed you, there's a variety of other features within Sales God that you can use. You could create message templates, which gives you the ability to have a one-click template that you could use to follow up with people in your Messenger account. You create additional tags so that you can organize your leads by their disposition. There's also an autoresponder down here that you can utilize, which will follow up with people automatically based upon keyword disposition. And finally, you have the ability to add stop words to your account. Stop words gives you the ability to put in any wide variety of words that you want to use so that if a person replies back to you with either a word like end or maybe a curse word, that'll opt them out of your list automatically so that you don't have to deal with that. And last of all but not least, let's talk about pricing, because you're probably wondering, okay, what does this software cost? What's it going to cost me to get started with it? So Sales God CRM, there's an annual subscription. It costs $447 annually. Now, once that's paid for the 12 months, then basically you have two options in terms of your cost per text. You can either pay 0.018 per message, unregistered, or you could register with a 10 DLC, and that's going to cost you about $125. Now, once that's paid and your 10 DLC is approved, your cost per text is going to go down to 0.012 cents per message. Now, if you're wondering, what is that going to cost me? What's it going to effectively cost me in terms of volume? So if you sent out 1,000 messages unregistered, that's going to cost you $18. And if you sent out 1,000 messages once you've been registered, then it's going to your total cost is going to go down to $12. So it can be a significant savings if you're sending high volume. But most important of all, when you register with the 10DLC on this platform, this will also give you excellent deliverability across every major carrier, including AT&T. AT&T is blocking a lot of non-registered traffic right now. So if you're looking for a solid software solution to send out text message campaigns to your leads, this software platform offers you everything that you're looking for. It's simple, it's affordable, and most importantly, we offer excellent service and great support. With this platform, if you have a question, you need help or assistance with your account, you can always call, text, or email us, and we get back to you within minutes. There is no lag time, no delay, like what you may have experienced with Go High Level or other platforms. We actively work hard to earn your business. We'll set up your account for you when you come aboard, so there's nothing that you have to do. And most importantly, if you have a team or if you have virtual assistants working for you, we'll train and onboard them for free so that you could get your team up and running fast and everybody can be on the same page. Now, let's talk about teams. So if you work in an office where you have multiple users that want to use this platform, obviously each user probably won't want to pay $447 annually for the subscription. We do have an enterprise plan that we can offer you. Now, if you have 5 users in your office that want to come aboard at once, we can offer you a monthly subscription of $40 a month. But it has to be 5 users, because that falls under our enterprise plan. So, and this is best, the enterprise plan, it's best used, for example, like insurance companies, real estate agents, etc., offices that have multiple employees, multiple users that would want to have access to Sales God CRM. Each user would have their own individual subscription, and each user would be paying $40 per month to access Sales God, like the other people in their office would. Now, if it is a situation where multiple users would want to come aboard, we would also train each user for free and offer the same level of technical service and support to them that we would, to yourself. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions about Sales God CRM, feel free to leave a comment on this video or reach out to me. My name's Jeremy, by the way. I work with Sales God CRM. You could reach me at area code 417-372-7811. I look forward to speaking with you, and we look forward to hopefully earning your business and getting you started on this platform. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.